Red Alliance winning the rock, paper, scissors match, but they're also poised to win the autonomous bonus. Both red robots able to grab a neutral mobile goal from the center of the field. Blue Alliance, they've got one as well. Grabbing a bunch of rings onto that blue mobile goal. Looks like at least two, but the Red Alliance, they're going to come away with the autonomous bonus. Resuming driver control here in 3, 2, 1, go! All right, back in action. We've got a lot of action here as in the center of the field. 62A Null getting into a bit of a fight against Cosmos. That tall neutral mobile goal is what's at stake.
I still feel your touch in my dream. Forgive me, my
11124W, that's Wonder. They're in a bit of a fight against Frogs. Neutral mobile goal in the center. Red mobile goal on the back of Frogs. Blue mobile goal on the back of Wonder. 62A Null, they're just stuck in the center. They've got a little bit of a grip, some kind of peg mechanism inside of that neutral mobile goal. Wonder, they're breaking free. They're going to go and try and help out their teammate Null. Frogs, they're in a very precarious position here. Their chassis stuck sideways on that ramp. They really have barely any maneuverability here. And their teammates, Cosmos, a little bit under that ramp, still in that tug of war. Over on the blue side, Null driving up that platform. It's balanced. They've got two mobile goals on top. And Wonder coming over to try and put a mobile goal there as well. There's 20 seconds left on the clock. That's 3 mobile goals up. Frogs, they're able to get free. Some great communication, great driving over here on the red side. Cosmos was able to free them. We've got 10 seconds to go. 4 mobile goals elevated by Blue. Over on the red side, can Frogs get elevated? And that's balanced as well. 3 seconds left on the clock. We've got all 7 mobile goals elevated, but oh no! After time expired, Frogs, the platform came tumbling down. That Red Alliance robot not able to stay balanced.